This video answers the search query, how to buy shares of Duroc AB, and gives a quick overview of the company, a Swedish agricultural firm focused on pig breeding and genetics, listed on CBOE EU under the ticker DURCB.ST. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search box and type the ticker DURCB.ST to locate the listing. Make sure you select the correct Duroc AB entry from the search results before opening the asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent activity. Confirm the issuer name, exchange CBOE EU, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To place a buy order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued for the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it and set alerts. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.